Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Did you know that every cell in your body can produce energy by breaking down just one molecule of sugar? This amazing process is called glycolysis. Let's understand this complicated process step by step. First of all, we must understand that what is the meanings of the term glycolysis. Here we go. The meaning of the word. Glyco means sugar, and lysis means breaking. So glycolysis literally means breaking down of sugar molecule. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell and does not require oxygen. Therefore, it is an anaerobic cellular respiration process. Do you know that what is cellular respiration? In simple words, it is defined as cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert food into usable energy. Or more precisely, cellular respiration is the biological process by which cells break down food, mainly glucose, to release energy that the body can use. This energy is stored in the form of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, which is the main energy currency of the cell. So glycolysis is defined more precisely and perfectly as glycolysis is a biochemical pathway where one molecule of glucose, 6 carbons, is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, 3 carbons each. Glycolysis consists of 2 major phases. Phase 1, energy investment phase. In this phase, the cell uses energy. 1. Glucose is converted into fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. 2. ATP molecules are consumed. The purpose of this stage is to activate the glucose molecule, making it easier to split. Phase 2, energy payoff phase. This phase produces energy. 1. The 6-carbon molecule splits into 2 3-carbon molecules. 2. These molecules are converted into pyruvate. During this phase, the cell produces 4 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH. Glycolysis consists of 10 steps. Step 1. In the first step, glucose molecule is phosphorylating in the presence of an enzyme hexokinase, and the phosphate group is extracted from one ATP molecule. Therefore, in the first step, 1 ATP is used and glucose 6-phosphate and ADP is produced, adenosine diphosphate. Step 2. In the second step of glycolysis, glucose 6-phosphate is converted into fructose 6-phosphate in the presence of an enzyme, phosphoglucoisomerase. Step 3. In this step, fructose 6-phosphate is phosphorylated and fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is formed. Here, the second ATP molecule is used, and an enzyme called phosphofructokinase 1 catalyzes the process. Step 4. In this step, an enzyme aldolase convert fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Step 5. In this phase, the enzyme triose phosphate isomerase convert dihydroxyacetone into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Step 6. In this step, 3 important phenomenon takes place simultaneously. Number 1. Oxidation of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate loses hydrogen in the form of hydride ion. Number 2. Reduction of NAD+. Its mean 2 molecules of NADH is produced due to addition of hydride ion, and the extra H+ ion is released in the cytoplasm. Number 3. Addition of an inorganic phosphate from the cytoplasm in the reaction path.
This step is catalyzed by an enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. And main compound in this step is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Step 7. In this step, dephosphorylation of the compound 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate produces 3-phosphoglycerate and 1 ATP molecule. In simple words, a phosphate group is taken from 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate and donated to ADP to form ATP. Phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme is involved in this phase. Step 8. In this phase, 3-phosphoglycerate is converted into 2-phosphoglycerate with the help of an enzyme phosphoglyceromutase. Step 9. In this step, the enzyme enolase acts on the 2-phosphoglycerate molecule. A water molecule is also released during this reaction, and phosphoenopyruvate is formed. Step 10. In this step, another ADP is converted into ATP and pyruvate molecules are formed. The enzyme specific for this reaction is pyruvate pinase. Quick summary. 1. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. 2. Glucose to 2-pyruvate. 3. 2 ATP used, 4 ATP produced. Net ATP gain equals 2. 4. It is the first stage of cellular respiration. 5. It is the first stage of cellular respiration. Like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.